We are learning more this morning about why a system that's meant to help people stay weather aware never did its job.
It's concerning. On Friday night, the city of San Marcos's tornado sirens never went off despite that warning in the area. So KVUE's Allison Martinez is getting to the bottom of that. She is live in the newsroom. Allison, what happened? What was the cause of that? And how are people in San Marcos responding to this?
Hannah, good morning. The city says its outdoor warning sirens, which should have automatically activated during Friday's tornado warning, never went off. The city says the problem has been resolved, but people living in the area are not so sure. Shay Pfeiffer lives near one of the city's sirens. She says her family didn't hear anything Friday night, and this isn't the first time.
The last time we had a tornado come through, they also didn't go off. It was May of not 2025, but 2024, and it ripped off the majority of our roof, the whole front portion of our fence, broke a couple of the back windows.
Hayes County Judge and Director of Emergency Management Ruben Becerra says he plans to follow up with city leaders to ensure the system is tested and ready before the next round of severe weather. The city says it has since upgraded the system to include a manual override. This will allow staff members to activate those sirens whenever necessary. Reporting live in the newsroom, Allison Martinez, KVUE News.